Going over the trades on the day for Friday, August the 19th. We are at right around break even on the day, really close to break even, almost zero, depending on our final statement fees. And so I didn't update the weekly or the monthly because those are right around the same as well. And so let's look at the trades, the markets and the trades on the day. We have a market environment here where there is a pretty huge down day point-wise. 1.5% on the NASDAQ. Happened overnight, and in the first 20 minutes of trading is right there. And so you get a little more here, but after that, you're just choppy all day. Very frustrating environment. Most of the days are choppy right now. We are dealing in August, and so historically August can be choppy. S&P, same thing, gap down, first 20 minutes, the trend is over. And so it just chopped fast all day. We were fortunate to come out around break even on a day like today. Would like to take advantage of these huge gains or huge moves, minus 56 points, but they happen all at night, and most of our strategies trade during the day. We were actually long at the close yesterday, so those got stopped out. Some of those got short. We did take advantage of our 60-minute breakout short, did get short, and it is short over the weekend. However, I am manually closing that, and we'll re-enter on Sunday night. So there's just this incredible force still of extra liquidity that seems to prop this market. We talk about gap down, continuation, and then prop. At some point, this pattern is probably the hardest pattern to trade on a day trade basis. And at some point, you typically see patterns like this that become this recognizable and it's just a chop fest. So you need to spend more time studying how to trade a chop fest and gap down. After the first hour, if you've had a gap down and a move down, set up a choppy counter trend type trading system. So I've researched that, still haven't found it because it is such a random chop that it is difficult to trade. Once again, fortunate enough to be round break even on the day. And so, not a fun trading week. Here are the trades on the day. 2 out of 2 strategies were profitable in the S&P. We had Cobra 3 get short this second leg down. And, there was a trend there, I guess you could say. But overall, not much distribution. The close ends up being right here. The same price it was in the morning at 11:15. So, tick fader, stopped out, long trade. 60-minute breakout short, was long, stopped out, got short, and then got short again. So nice gains on the day, actually, to take the short trade. It recovered from the loss, took the short trade, and recovered a little bit. Momentum reversal. Felt like the market would just give us one of those reversal days, but pretty deep sell-off and no such luck. So it did roll over again, and momentum reversal was stopped out. On the NASDAQ, we had quite a few strategies get short. If you take a look at this, 60-minute breakout was long, got stopped out, got long again, stopped out. This was the biggest loser on the day, minus 43.38. We just turned this back on, and we'll have to check on the monthly stop loss for that. This has been this has been the bane this month of our trading. This right here, this CPI trade stopped us out on the micros but not the minis. Then we missed the winning streak and then had a little bit of a losing streak. Then we tried to sync back up, and now we have this losing day on this. And so the other strategies, though, we had great potential, incredible potential to short. We didn't get really any big bounces to stop us out. Tick Pulse has a fairly tight stop loss, but it just wouldn't break. It looked like it was going to break there, and there's just something in the market. It seems like there's a force in the market right now that prevents it from selling in the afternoon, and it's just extreme, and it's unnatural to see this force continue to exist. I don't know what the force is. It's hard for me to believe that it's just natural buyers always bidding the market and propping it up here. And so gap continuation 2019 and 2022, these were all profitable, just a little bit. I don't see the final results there, but this was profitable on tick reversal, tick pulse, tick reversal, gap continuation 2019. We just needed a little bit more. We just needed this sell-off to follow through, like most markets that have extended one way or the other. They have a pullback and they extend through, and this is not, we're just not seeing that right now, and it's just strange for it to be this long and for it to fight the shorts this hard on every single day the market is down. Overlap NQ got short, a little bit of a profit. Cobra 3, a little bit of a profit. Momentum reversal was loss on the day, went long and exited right there. Small loss. VTNQ profitable on the day, up 11.10. These are 12 micro trades, and so the highlight was the short side, but I mean these protracted intraday trends that come in, and we see constant propping. So this is what I think the market is been propped up so badly that we are due for a very sharp sell-off, and it could happen overnight. It could happen intraday. It could be a flash crash type market environment. But this is just extreme. We'll take a look at this again. Just a huge disconnect from what I consider to be the fundamentals and what the market is actually doing. And you know, this market is just acting like you know, we're at all-time highs and we're just rallying away from this point forward. From July the 25th through here, it's trading like a bull market. Instead of we didn't get the bear market rally, which are sharp and short-lived typically. We just get this slow grinding low VIX up move as if we're in a new bull market with fundamentals, in my opinion, that are completely bearish. And so there's a big disconnect, and we'll see what happens. You know, maybe we'll get more low VIX market environment, grinding price action, and so we'll have to see. I will update the portfolio calculator over the weekend, but disappointing week overall. And we are coming into, let's see, it's the 19th. We have 8 trading days left, I guess, this month. And so we have not had a very good cycle for, I guess, since we actually hit equity peaks on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We just had this interesting market environment where the advanced decline line, here's another thing I've noticed, advanced decline line down here, minus 1,000 open on Monday. Here's last Friday's close. Then we have a minus 488 open. It's down here in the negative numbers, minus 48 open on the advanced decline line. And then on Wednesday, we have a minus 2,000 advanced decline line. Yet by Wednesday, after all these negative advancers, decliners, we're still up on the week. The S&P is up on the week as of Wednesday's close, even though you've got this broader market weakness. And then Thursday shows a little bit of positivity, you know, up on the week, 3 out of 4 days, the advanced decline line is weak. And then down today, advanced decline line, minus 2,000 again. So minus 1,000, minus 400, minus 2,000, minus 2,000 on the advanced decline line. And you're at 42.30.75. And last Friday's close was 42.77, so 47 points in the S&P, which is you know, about a little over 1%, down on the week with all this negative weakness. And so it's just interesting to see how much this market is propped up. And so looking forward to next week's trade and the last 8 trading days of the month for a more positive cycle, as this week has just been extremely choppy. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.